Jatugo machon mar Harambee Stars Bonface Ambani oyier kaka jakom mar AFC Leopards yiero mano bag odiochieng' makawuono alap makasarani. Ambani noyudo ombulu maromo 1,101 kendo yombo Inos Mutoka mano otieko thuolo mar ariyo gi kura 682. Komachielo Isaac Mulini noyier kaka jagoro maduong' mar tok yudo kura 656. Newton Lime ne hape oluar bang' jogo kura mi thuolo mar bedo jakene club no ka noyombo Edward Buhaso gi Patrick Kanyange. Ambani kao kom kowuok kuom Madan Shikanda ma osebedo jakome club mar Ingwe kuom higni 8.
The incoming team, please go out there and look for players, not just in Nairobi. Go to the mashinani huko chini, and we can get those players, nurture them and build them and have a strong team.
I'm leading a vibrant team, a team that is the only team that can fill Nyayo National Stadium, can fill Machakos, can fill Dandora, and can fill any stadium in this country.
Well, so much we have to expect from me and the office, the guys who have been elected. So the work starts immediately tomorrow, because you need to understand the league is over, and we need to release the players. We need to know who is remaining, who is coming in. So much to be done.